Good afternoon, morning, evening, whichever fabulous time it is that you decided to click on our video. We appreciate it. I am Carla, and I am the owner of Lena's Beauty Box. On this channel, what I showcase is that I make bath and body products, among other things. And so with fall approaching, autumn approaching, one of the things that I'm working on are some of our bath soaks. And today I am going to be showcasing a salt bath soak. It took me so many times to record this to get that part right. It has 5 different salts in it. And you're probably saying to yourself, why does she need so many salts? Well, salt soaks are a formulation too. And I'm going to explain each one of the salts, not in, on arduous detail, because I don't want to bore you. But if you're a person that's interested in making bath salts, you need to at least have an idea of why each one of them is good for your skin. Now, most people that have eczema and psoriasis, sometimes they don't use bath salt soaks, but they still have soaks that don't contain salt. I probably shouldn't even say that, but I just needed to. And so I'm going to go ahead and get started with this video so that you can see it, and I'm going to explain the ingredients as we go. So 1, thank you. 2, enjoy. Now, I took my hair down right before I filmed this video, so I have to put it back up before I get started. I love using these mats when I'm working on stuff. It just adds a little extra flavor of fun. And so one of the additional ingredients I am going to be using are cornflower petals. Now, I'll explain to you closer to the end their benefit, but they add a pop of color to this formulation. Here you can see the ingredients we're going to be using. And as I referenced, we're going to be using multiple salts. Our first salt is going to be a coarse rock salt. Now, it helps you to recover from injuries a lot faster, helps with muscles, and it does help with eczema and psoriasis. Our second salt is a sea salt. Most don't realize that sea salt helps with arthritis, back pains, and it helps to detox the skin. Himalayan salt, it helps with inflammation, and it helps with stiff joints. Through the magnesium in Epsom salt, serotonin is replenished, and serotonin affects the mood, which means you're relaxing while you're taking the soak. Now, this is dendritic salt. It looks like table salt, but it's not. It acts as a natural preservative and helps the bath soak to hold on to fragrances longer. Now, if you notice, each salt has a different texture to it. And very often people confuse rock salt with sea salt. They're not the same. They have a different texture. As you can see, all of them have different levels, with the exception of the Himalayan salt. They all have different levels of opaqueness. They all come together, and like a marriage, to serve one overall purpose, which is to provide nourishment to the skin, relaxation of the joints and the muscles, and to help detoxify the body too. Now in this bowl, you'll see another salt added. It's sodium bicarbonate, or as we call it, baking soda. Now, baking soda is really good to help with arthritis, and it helps with psoriasis and eczema. It also acts as a natural preservative too. Now, I previously scented the Epsom salt with chamomile essential oil because I know I'm going to be making a big batch of several other things, and I wanted to go ahead and get it situated. So that's one of the reasons why you don't see me using any oil right now. But chamomile is amazing for calming the senses and helping to add in that additional relaxation and just helping you to clear your mind and focus. Now, when working with salts, I just like to go ahead and use my hands because I just feel like it helps to break up things like the baking soda that might be at the bottom. And I can just go ahead and just, mix things a little better. Now let's talk about the blue cornflower petal. Now, yes, they're going to add a beautiful pop of color to this mixture, but most don't realize that they have natural anti-inflammatory properties. They help to soothe sensitive skin, they help to reduce redness and swelling, infection, and they help with your blemishes. So bottom line, they help as a natural toner. Now, although these flowers are beautiful, not everyone wants to clean them up out of their bathtubs. So, one of the ways that I still get my clients to experience them is by using organza bags. When you put them in the water, the ingredients are going to secrete into the water, and the only thing that you're going to pretty much be left with are the flowers in the bag. So, it's easy cleanup while still getting the benefits of the bath soak. And so this cute little bag of leftovers is going to be for me. Now, if you're interested in trying this bath soak, I have left a link in the description below for you. And as always, thank you for watching this video.